There's no denying that we live in a digital world, and while we have the ability to get all this information instantly at the touch of a button, many of us are feeling more disconnected than ever. If you've ever felt that way, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. With computers and tablets and smartphones being such a big part of our everyday lives, it's easy to forget the feeling of holding a planner or a journal in your hands, the texture, the weight, and that feeling of putting pen to paper. Writing something down is a sacred art, but it's quickly becoming a lost art. Well, not anymore, because now you and the people you care most about can experience the feeling of staying organized, staying connected to your dreams, your goals, and the daily experiences that give your life the most meaning. Meet the Dutch & Deckle Signature Planner. Each Dutch & Deckle planner is completely one of a kind, sustainably made to order by hand with exceptional craftsmanship using the most luxurious high-quality American-made paper. But the best part? It's specifically created, inspired, and designed by you. It truly is the most customizable printed planner available in the world. Once you open the gorgeous linen cover, which includes a foil icon and custom text, you'll be able to keep track of absolutely everything that's important to you, from your contacts to your daily, weekly, or monthly calendar to your current goals and intentions. You can even have a vision board with custom personal images and inspirational quotes that keep you feeling motivated. It's also going to help with the most practical applications like your health, sleep, mood tracking, expense tracking, and so much more. Each page of the Dutch & Deckle Signature Planner is unique to you, specific to your needs, and perfect for mapping out your plans and organizing all the most important things in your life. You are absolutely going to love the simplicity and clarity that this planner brings to your daily routine. Did you know that writing important information down by hand promotes greater information recall, offers fewer distractions, and leads to increased focus and greater productivity than being online and using an equivalent digital app? The truth is, this product is a total game changer. So many people are returning to printed planners to keep track of and remember the most important details in their life, both big and small. So whether you're a working professional trying to stay organized, a busy stay-at-home mom, an overwhelmed high school or college student, we invite you to find your joy by creating your own daily ritual and starting your morning off right with a cup of coffee, a few minutes to yourself, and your Dutch & Deckle Signature Planner. Once you start using it, you're going to wonder how you ever survived without it.